Welcome to this video on Revit, CYPELUX and CYPELEC. First, we can create a new project in BIMserver.center. BIMserver.center allows for files to be created, worked on and exchanged in a collaborative and open workflow. To make the architectural model of the BIM project, we are going to use the BIM design tool from Autodesk Revit. Thanks to the BIMserver add-on for Revit, it is possible to make a link of the Revit project with the BIM project previously created inside the platform. From other BIM applications, such as the lighting calculation program CYPELUX developed by CYPE, it is possible to load the project and introduce new elements through the IFC exchange files. CYPELUX has a wizard that guides the user through the BIM model linking process to minimize the complexity of this task. After the design of the installation, CYPELUX can display on screen the results of illuminance, both normal and emergency, and dazzling of the areas involved in the calculation using isolinear or isovalent graphs. CYPE is able to export the data concerning the luminaires used, as well as the results obtained in an IFC file. In this way, it is possible to expand the information stored in the BIM project and consolidate the OpenBIM workflow. This modification in the content of the BIM project can be recognized by other BIM applications, such as the CYPELEC electrical installation design program that is capable of automatically incorporating the luminaires arranged in CYPELUX. As they are all BIM elements, CYPELEC interprets the luminaires as light points, and the user, in addition to seeing them in the 3D view, can assign properties and interact with them. In the same way as in CYPELUX, once the calculation has been made, the data concerning the electrical installation can be exported to the BIM project. Finally, from Revit, again with the OpenBIM add-on, we can update the BIM project and visualize in the 3D model the new elements that we have introduced in CYPELUX and CYPELEC. Thank you for watching this video.